welcome to Samrana English classes. I am your teacher and you are going to study first chapter, The Fun They Had. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. On the page headed 17 May 2157 in future, she wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." So the second line tells you that the story is set in the future world. He found a real book. Real book is the book like you have today. It is where the letters are printed on the paper. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. So you see that these students are the students of the future world and they are talking about their past grandfather real books as we have today. So we are living in the 21st century. We have the same kind of books. ये तो आप क्लियर समझ रहे हैं. रियल बुक है आपकी इस तरह की बुक जो प्रिंटेड पेपर की बुक्स. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly and it was awful funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen. The pages which were yellow and crinkly. ये बच्चे pages turn कर रहे हैं. It was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving. Finding this book very awful because they had not seen such books, real books. They used to study on computer sets and they did not have such books, real books or printed pages books. Pages can be turned. So this is very awful for them, horrible for them. They are not liking it, fearful about it, that how this kind of book was read by the pupil. So crinkly here means fold or shrink, folded and crushed. Pages पुराने हैं उसके, you know. And then when they turned back to the pages, to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. And another thing was very fearful, horrible, strange, funny for them that on the books words were still not moving as move on the computer sets, computer screen. Second para. "Gee," said Tommy, "what a waste. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away. I guess they do not like the book." Both of them, Margie and Tommy, they both hate the book and it was a waste of time. Horrible, very horrible. "I guess our television screen must have had a million books on it and it's good for plenty more." और उनको क्या अच्छा लगता है? उनको अपनी जो टेलीविज़न स्क्रीन वाली जो बुक्स हैं वो ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती हैं. मस्ट हैव हैड अ मिलियन बुक्स ऑन इट. उनको लगता है कि ऐसी ही बुक्स होती होंगी. हमारे कंप्यूटर में हम बहुत सारी किताबें हैं, ये बहुत अच्छी मेमोरी है और इतनी बहुत सारी बुक्स ऐसी ही उसमें सेव होती हैं, उनसे हम इंफॉर्मेशन ले पाते हैं. और उस बुक को जो रियल बुक है वो बिल्कुल भी अच्छी नहीं पाते हैं, बहुत हॉरिबल पाते हैं. एंड दे हेट इट, दे डोंट लाइक इट. नेक्स्ट लाइन. "Same with mine." Margie also says this. Margie also doesn't like it. She says, "Same with mine," said Margie. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. So मार्गी और टॉमी दोनों को वो रियल बुक बहुत स्ट्रेंज लगती है, जो कि हमारे लिए एक बहुत ही कॉमन है. और साथ फ्यूचर वर्ल्ड में ये स्टोरी सेट है, तो उस समय उन्होंने ऐसे स्कूल्स नहीं देखे जैसे आज आपके पास. दिस वॉज देयर ग्रैंडफादर्स बुक एंड दे वर नॉट हैप्पी टू फाइंड दिस बुक. मोर दे वर सरप्राइज्ड, दे वर फीलिंग स्ट्रेंज अबाउट द रियल बुक कि किस तरह की ये बुक हो सकती है जो कि पेजेस की बनी हुई है. बिकॉज दे हैड ओनली सीन टेली बुक्स और ई टेक्स्ट एंड दे हैड ओनली स्टडीड through computers by the robotic teachers. They know nothing about the human teachers. She said, where did you find it? So यहाँ पे she is Margie जो कि टॉमी से पूछ रही है where did you find it? ये it is the book, real book. So he said, in my house. He pointed without looking because he was busy reading in the attic. What's it about? So attic, just note this attic word. This is also given here. Attic space just below the roof used as a store room. एक स्टोरेज टाइप आपने देखा है जीने में जो आपकी स्टेयर्स होती हैं वहाँ पर एक छत जैसी होती है जिसको आप एक छोटे रूम या स्टोरेज की तरह से यूज़ कर सकते हैं. What is it about? School. The book, real book was about the school. Margie was scornful. Scornful means angry, not liking. Showing dislike. जो एक्सप्रेशंस होते हैं वो डिसलाइक का दिखाना कि समथिंग इज़ वर्थलेस, जिसका कोई बेकार, यूजलेस, जो कि चीज़ बेकार है. सो मार्गी वॉज स्कॉर्नफुल. स्कूल, व्हाट्स देयर टू राइट अबाउट स्कूल? आई हेट स्कूल. बिकॉज मार्गी हैड ओनली known about the computer sets, computer schools or future world school which she had in her bedroom, which she did not like. So Margie always hated school. Margie did not know anything good about such schools. Mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test. उसको continuous test जल्दी जल्दी दे रहा है और that is geography subject, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. Her mother also got tensed that she was unable to do that level. It was not according to the level of Margie. जो ज्योग्राफी का स्लॉट जो से मिल रहा है वो उसके लेवल का नहीं है, and she is disliking this, she is hating this because she is not able to solve that work. वो उसे सॉल्व नहीं कर पा रही है, जो उसके असाइनमेंट्स उनको सॉल्व नहीं कर पा रही है, और मदर इज़ ऑल्सो वरी. ही वॉज अ राउंड लिटिल मैन विद अ रेड फेस and a whole box of tool with the dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. So who is this? Mechanical, जो उसका टीचर है उसको ठीक करने के लिए आया है, काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर. सो हु वॉज ही वॉज अ राउंड लिटिल मैन. वो एक छोटा गोलमोल सा इंसान है जिसे राउंड लिटिल मैन विद अ रेड फेस एंड अ होल बॉक्स ऑफ टूल्स, एंड ही हैज़ अ बिग बॉक्स ऑफ टूल्स जिसमें उसने अपने सभी डायल्स वायर्स जो मेजरमेंट वगैरह, he has the dials and wires in her. Smiled at Margie and gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. Inspector took the teacher apart, mechanical teacher apart, and he slowed the geography sector to Margie's level, up to an average 10 years level. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how it put it together again, but he knew how, all right. And after an hour or so, there it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. So the county inspector had taken the mechanical teacher of Margie to manage it, and he knew it well. He managed it, he did it, and it was again back to Margie. It was brought to Margie, and now Margie could do her assignments easily because now it was according to her level. That wasn't so bad, and this time it was not so bad. It was correct and it was working good. What is it here? This is mechanical teacher of Margie, computer set. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. Margie did not like this part, that mechanical teacher assigned her homework and assigned her test papers. She always had to write them out in punch code they made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. Margie did not like to write in punch code, while mechanical teacher was very fast and very perfect to calculate the marks in no time. So here we finish this session.